Meaning of fearlessness.
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 Fearlessness. Fearlessness is the state of being unafraid or without fear. It describes a person who is able to confront and overcome their fears without being hindered by them. This quality is often admired and valued in individuals, as it allows them to take risks and pursue their goals with confidence. Someone who embodies fearlessness can inspire others, achieve great things, and live life to the fullest. Overall, fearlessness is an important trait to cultivate in order to live a fulfilling and satisfying life.